Finding the best portable induction cooker sounds easy until you actually cook on a few. I bought 5 of the most popular models with my own money, cooked real meals on each one, and paid attention to heat, noise, and build quality. If you want fast boiling without frying your budget, this will save you time. Product number 1, Changbert Induction Cooktop. When I lifted the Changbert, the stainless steel body immediately felt heavier and more serious than most countertop burners. It didn't flex at all, and I was comfortable setting a big cast iron pan on it. During testing, it heated water crazy fast and held steady heat without pulsing, which matters when you're searing or simmering for a while. I liked the physical buttons because I could tap them with wet hands and still hit the right setting. The large coil spread heat evenly, so pancakes browned edge to edge instead of just in the center. It also stayed surprisingly quiet, even after running for over an hour. Cleanup was simple since nothing burned onto the glass. This is the one I'd buy if you cook a lot, use heavy cookware, or want something that feels built for years of abuse. After that experience, I switched to a touch control model. Product number 2, Duckstop 9600 LS Portable Induction Cooktop. Picking up the Duckstop 9600, it felt slim and light, easy to slide into a cabinet when I wasn't using it. The glass surface looked clean and modern, and the touch controls responded quickly. In my kitchen tests, boiling pasta water was fast, and I liked having lots of power and temperature steps to dial things in. The fast boil button actually worked, and the keep warm mode was handy when food finished early. It did make a faint high-pitched sound with one of my pans, which isn't the cooktop's fault, but it's worth knowing. The safety lock was nice when kids were around, and the timer saved me from hovering. This is a solid choice if you want precise control without spending commercial-level money. After using this familiar Duckstop layout, I tried another unit that looks similar but feels slightly different. It handled daily cooking without any hiccups at all. Product number 3, Duckstop 9600 LS Portable Induction Cooktop. Handling the second Duckstop, I noticed the same compact footprint, but this one lived on my counter for a week straight. The build felt identical, smooth glass and lightweight body, so moving it around was effortless. Performance was consistent, which I appreciated. Low temperature settings actually stayed low enough for gentle sauces, and the timer was accurate when I tested it with rice. Again, certain cookware caused a light ringing noise, but swapping pans fixed it instantly. What stood out more over time was reliability. It never overheated, never shut off randomly, and the controls stayed responsive. Cleaning took seconds since spills didn't bake on. If you cook in a small apartment or need a dependable backup burner, this does the job without drama. After living with 2 Duckstops, I wanted something with a wider temperature range for delicate cooking. That curiosity pushed me toward a more precision-focused model next. Product number 4, New Wave Gold Precision Induction Cooktop. When I unboxed the New Wave Gold, the ceramic glass felt thick and reassuring, not fragile. The surface was larger too, which made centering pans easy. Cooking on it felt very controlled. I could bump the temperature up or down mid-cook without restarting, and it responded instantly. That was clutch when I was working on sauces and didn't want them to break. The lower temperature control was excellent for melting chocolate, and it never scorched. It also heated fast when I cranked it up, so boiling wasn't an issue. I appreciated how safe it felt with no exposed heat and a solid, stable base. This is the one I'd recommend to home cooks who like precision and finesse more than raw power. After that refined experience, I finished testing with a simpler, budget-friendly Duckstop. It stripped things back to basics, focusing on reliability and everyday cooking needs for most home kitchens. Product number 5, Duckstop 80-100MC Portable Induction Cooktop. Grabbing the Duckstop 80-100MC, it felt straightforward and no-nonsense right away. The controls are digital but simple, and I didn't need the manual after a minute. In use, it heated evenly and handled everyday tasks like eggs, stir-fry, and soup without fuss. The fan kicks on to cool it down, but it never got annoyingly loud. Safety features worked as expected, shutting off when I lifted the pan. Cleanup was just a quick wipe since nothing stuck. This is the one I'd suggest if you want a dependable induction burner at a reasonable price and don't need fancy presets. With all 5 tested side by side, a clear favorite depends on how serious your cooking really is. For me, portability, noise level, and heat control mattered most overall. Your priorities might point you elsewhere today. That's my hands-on take after cooking real meals on all 5. Check the links in the description for current prices and availability. If you've used any of these, drop your experience below. It always helps other people decide what's actually worth buying.